Hey you guys, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I know you didn't have to. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap the subscribe, and hit the ringy dingy bell for notifications, and I will support you back like always. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? So I just want to let you know I am still having issues with this side of my face, and it's a very complicated situation. So I broke a tooth on this side of my face. So to compensate for like rubbing my tongue raw, I know y'all don't want to hear this, but to compensate for rubbing my tongue raw over here, I ended up using this side of my mouth too much. Ended up getting an abscess on this side of my face. So yeah, it's not been fun. So if I start talking funny because it hurts still, I'm sorry. I'm just giving you that heads up disclosure right now. So for today, we are doing our Ipsy Plus 2019 January. And let me just tell you guys right now, Ipsy Plus is giving BoxyCharm a run for its money. I'm telling you that right now. They are giving BoxyCharm, not BoxyLuxe, BoxyCharm, a run for their money. Now, if there were fewer products in BoxyLuxe, I would say that they were giving BoxyLuxe a run for their money. But they are definitely giving BoxyCharm a run for their money, if not better. If not better. And if it wasn't for BoxyLuxe being so amazing, I would probably cancel BoxyCharm, which I may still do. But let me just get into the box and show you guys what's going on. So if you want to see my box for January 2018 Ipsy Plus, keep on watching. You know the drill. I'll be right back. But let me just get into this box. Okay, so if you don't know about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it is a $25.99 a month subscription. You can get that alone, or you can get Ipsy by itself, which is $10, or you can get both. So it ends up being, what, $35.99 for both. To me, it's not worth it to keep Ipsy as opposed to getting Ipsy Plus, because Ipsy Plus is just hands down 100%. No holds bar, like better, way better than Ipsy. You don't get the bag anymore, but let me just say it's totally worth it. I'll leave my information down below, which is the link where you can get Ipsy. Everybody has not been offered Ipsy Plus yet, but they are going to offer Ipsy Plus to everybody very soon. I did find that out. I had to make sure. I sent an email and asked, and they did say that they would be offering it. If not in February, it will be March. So if you haven't gotten offered Ipsy Plus yet, you will. So if you want to go ahead and sign up and get a better chance of getting it for February, now would be a good time to do it. And I'll leave my link down below if you'd like to try it. If not, that's fine too. But I'm still going to show you guys what's in this box. So with Ipsy Plus, you can do add-ons. And I do 3 add-ons. I've done 3 add-ons every time. Their customer service is really good. They've been really, really, really good with customer service. And they reply and they let you know things. You know, they let you know when they're sending something. They give you tracking numbers. So it's actually really amazing. So the 3 things that I added on for this month, I was able to add on 3 things for $12. I've only been given the option to choose 3 things for $12. 3 things is the most that you can choose. So for my add-ons, the first thing I got was the ColorPop All I See Is Magic palette. This is an eye palette. It is big and it is gorgeous, and I love it. So this is what the palette looks like. It is gorgeous. Some of the tones in here I am not a fan of, you know, like the gold tones and stuff, but the pretty green right here and the beautiful pinks and maroons, or maroons and pinks, 90% of the colors in this box I absolutely love. So I really like this palette. I actually used it already. I used it last week because I've been sitting on this box because my mouth has been hurting and I couldn't record. So I actually love this palette a whole lot. I've had my eye on it. It's I think it was a holiday special for 2016. No, 2017. Holiday edition for 2017. So that I have been looking at since, and I love it. It's so much better in person than online. So the second product I got, which I've already used, and I tried to wipe it off because before it was so vibrant and pretty, but I got another Swiss Glam SL Miss Glam brush. I call it Swiss Glam. I really love the way that this brush looks. It was like really vibrant blue up here, and I ended up using it with my eye look today, and it ended up turning a little bit brown, but it's okay. But it looks like cotton candy, and all this is so glittery and pretty. So this is a beautiful brush. And then I also got the Ciate Wonder Wand mascara. Looks like this. This is a deluxe sample size, I do believe, and it is amazing. It really does remind me of the Better Than Sex mascara on wand. If you look at it, it is very similar to that wand. So, and I have tried it, and I really like this a lot. It's very beautiful. I love that mascara. So now to get into the box. So this is the box, and I'm going to open the box. This is what it looks like, and it always says on the inside, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Glam Bag Plus. It does come with a pamphlet, which is not really a pamphlet as far as a theme, but it is a pamphlet that tells you everything that's in the box, and it tells you how much it is, and it gives you a little bit of information about products. So this is Happy New Year, Ipster, ringing in fierce with your January Glam Bag Plus. So I'm just going to go in order to which is in the pamphlet. Okay, so to start with, but I got a full size of the Rosario Milk leave-in conditioning, the reparative leave-in conditioning spray. This is a full size compared to the small one that came in BoxyCharm. So this is a full size, and this is valued at $20. And I'm not going to say much about this because we already pretty much know about this because we got this in BoxyCharm. We got the mask in BoxyCharm a few months ago, which I like, and I have yet to try this. So now I have a mini of this, and I have a regular of this. So I'm going to try the big one first. So that way if I don't like it, I can get the mini to give it in a giveaway or give it to somebody. So I can't wait to try this, and this is a really great product. So we got that. Oh, I have it on my mouth. Yes, this is the Vasanti Matte Crush Lip Pencil, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's in the color It's Your Mauve, and this is what it looks like. It is so pretty, and I'll do a swatch for you guys. This is what it looks like. Very pretty color. I think this is beautiful for all skin tones, all skin types, all colors, but also it comes with a sharpener, which I think is really cool. And it has one of those little things that you can pull out, and what this is for is, you know, if you never had one, it's to get all the gunky stuff out of there after you sharpen something. So you can use this for all your large pencils. I have quite a few pencils that this can go with, so that's really awesome. So what it says about this is, excuse me, $23. And there are so many things in life that take time that are worth the wait. Baking a cake, eating a cake, but your lipstick should never be one of them. This Vasanti pencil is a multitasker. It perfectly lines your lips and then fills them in. A single swipe, velvety, creamy formula gives you an opaque wash of color, promises all-day wear, and it comes with a sharpener, so your lips are always looking on point. Is this a darling feather proof? It's smudge proof, and it's completely waterproof, so keep it on hand when summer rolls around. So I'm going to put a little bit more of this on. I only put a little bit of this on when I put this on today, so I'm going to put a little bit more. And I have had this on for several hours. So if that tells you anything. So it's a really good. And Vasanti is a great brand. I've had some brushes from Vasanti that I really enjoy, and I have never had like an actual makeup product from them. So I'm really excited to have that. Okay, so the next thing I see. Okay, so this is my favorite thing in the box, and y'all gonna think that I'm so crazy, but anybody who knows me is gonna know why I think this is an amazing product. Okay, this is called the Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. Now, the reason why I love it is because look what it says on the pamphlet. Hey honey, good morning honey. So, okay, my gran, she called me honey, good morning honey, every time we talked on the phone. Hey honey, bye honey, hey honey, hey honey, hey honey. So when I saw this and I looked at it, I gave it a double take, and the way that that's written right there where it says hey, is so strange because it's a lot like my grandma's handwriting. I know that's so weird, but it's true. But other than that, this serum is absolutely amazing. I'm just going to tell you guys what it says on here because it's basically the same thing that it says on here, and that's really long. This value's at $45. Luxurious Serum and Makeup Primer. Yeah, I said primer. The light and luxurious serum under makeup primer replenishes and protects your skin so you're ready to take on the day. Rich moisturizers and nutrients such as honey, silk amino acids, sea buckthorn oil, and vitamin E provide intense moisture for radiant, smooth skin. Wear it by itself or under your day cream. Perfect for a makeup primer. And then it says apply as needed by itself or under moisturizer. When used under makeup, this serum will allow for an even application and a flawless finish. So I have tried this as a primer, and it does work as a primer very well. It's very, very, very nourishing to the skin, and it makes your skin feel really, really good. And the smell of it is so fresh and so clean, and I just love this product. So this is a really, really good product. It's my favorite product in the box. It really is. I love it. Last month we got a $180 bottle of serum, and this month we're getting another bottle of serum. And I think just the fact that they're giving us skincare that is not really affordable, which $45 is not bad, but the $180 bottle of skincare, I was just like, so I just think that it's really good that they're doing that for us, because, you know, when we think of spending money, we think about palettes, we think about foundations, we spend money on those things. But sometimes, you know, when it comes to skincare, it's not, you know, the first thing on the list to spend money on, because you're just like, oh, it's skincare. Well, getting skincare this way is the best way to do it, because $25 and I've gotten, you know, okay, so $50 and I've gotten what, $200 and something worth of skincare in 2 months. So I mean, I think that's pretty good. So just my opinion. Okay, so this is really cool as well. This is the new Ico liner. This is the Black Magic liquid eyeliner, and it is not the same as the Ico skinny liners that we've been getting in BoxyCharm and the other Ipsy bags. This is a felt tip liner, but this is a brush tip liner, and this is an amazing liner, but it's really, really matte, and it's really, really black, and the brush tip on this is amazing. I have it on my eyes today, and it's so easy to put on your eyes, and it's super easy to just glide across your eyes and do a wing, or just do a regular line. So this is a really great product. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's a little bit smaller than the Ico Skinny, but that's because it's a brush tip. So, but it comes in this little thing here, and it says if you can do liquid eyeliner, you can do anything. So this is what it looks like, and this is what the tip looks like. Very precise, very short, and it's very I mean, just it just works so well, and you can tell it's a brush tip just by looking at it that way. And if you look, if you can't tell, if you don't know and you can't tell if you have a brush tip, turn your liner like this and look at it. And if it looks like a bunch of little brush hairs, like facing forward, as opposed to like a felt tip marker or a felt tip pen, then you know you have a brush tip liner, because a lot of times they will not say. And another thing that helps is if you have a, if it does this, if it gives that way. So you know that it's felt tip. I mean, a brush tip. So this is a really good product, and I love it, and it gets A+ for me. That value's at $22. So the next thing that we got is, and it does say that it's a brush tip on here, in case you didn't know. It just says that it's like the applicator brush is inspired by traditional calligraphy brushes, so perfecting your eyeline is now as easy as spelling your own name. So the next product I got, I was super, super, super excited about, because I have never gotten anything like this in a box or a bag or a subscription. This is the Dead Sexy No. 6 Tokyo Milk Crushed and Distilled perfume. And yes, it does have a skull on it. Yes, it does. It is so cool looking. Okay, and this has, and it's a perfume. It's not a eau de toilette. It's a perfume. It's deep vanilla, exotic wood, white orchid, and ebony. Okay, so for this, it's $36, and it says, you know how some girls leave a trail of fragrance that smells so good you want to ask what she's wearing? Well, this Tokyo Milk perfume leaves a lasting scent on your skin that's not overpowering, but is sure to get the attention of those around you. And I agree, it smells so great. The blend of deep vanilla, exotic wood, white orchid, and ebony combines earthy, floral, and sweet notes to leave a memorable impression. All you have to do is spritz a little behind your ears. I never do that. On the nape of your neck or on your pulse points. So I'm going to spray a little bit of it now just because I love the way it smells. It's subtle, but it's not, it's like, I don't know. It smells really good, you guys. And it's Tokyo Milk. I mean, it's great. I love it. So I'm super excited. And if you don't like skulls, you can turn around and have it like this because, you know, there's a see-through and there's the back. So amazing product. And then let's see, the last thing in my box. This is really exciting, and I am giving this away, but I think this is really cool that they gave this to us. We got a mini of the Violet Voss HG palette. We did. We got a mini, and this is worth $18, and we already know these are the colors that are inside. I did go ahead and swatch this, and the person who's getting it, which is my friend Krista, she knows that I've already swatched it, and she's fine with it, but she doesn't get BoxyLuxe or BoxyCharm, so I'm giving this to my friend Krista, and I had to make sure that the colors were the same. One of the colors in here, I'm not sure about, but all the rest of them are, these are all in the Violet Voss palette. So I will open this and show you what it looks like, and then I will end the video. To any look in a cinch, from polished business maiden to amped up night queen. For a foolproof eyeshadow look, apply the lightest shade. I'm not even going to read all that. Plus, the creamy consistency of these shades makes the next level blending experimentation in a cinch. Infused with jojoba oil to keep your skin from drying, and also vegan and cruelty free, so you feel just as good as you look. So this is the colors, and they are gorgeous, and these are the same colors that are in the Violet Voss palette, except one I'm not sure about, and I don't even remember which one it is, you guys. I think it may be one of these two. This one maybe. But either way, it's a gorgeous little palette, and it's going to Krista, and I know she'll be happy to have it. So I've already told her she's getting it. So Krista, you already know you're getting it. From doing Courtney math, which, you know, it's not always 100%. This box retails somewhere in between, between $167 and $168. That was my quick addition. So I think it's definitely worth it for $25. I mean, you know, I can't ask for more. Even though one of the items I know I'm giving away, you know, one of the items, you know, is the lippy, you know, it's just, it's a great box. It's a great box, and it's definitely giving BoxyCharm a run for its money. It is. So we will just have to see what BoxyCharm has to bring next month, because this month they didn't bring it. They didn't bring it, but Ipsy did. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about this box. Let me know if you are getting Glam Bag Plus, or if you are on the wait list for Glam Bag Plus, or if you've been accepted or not. I'm very curious to know what everybody else got. I've only seen a couple of unboxings of this. And let me know about the add-ons, if you're doing the add-ons and everything else. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Tap subscribe and hit the ring-a-ding bell for notifications, and I will support you back. And as always, I love you guys, but I will not argue with you guys. I will see you guys on my next video. I love you all. Bye.